Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.com, and today I want to share with you another company that I partnered with and I'm now a brand ambassador for. It's called Pink Lily, and they've got great clothes, trendy clothes, but not too pricey, which that's what I love. And I want to share with you what I received today. So let's get started. So I got this huge box here with all these goodies. So let me show you what I got from Pink Lily. And oh, just so you know, I give 20% discount codes when you shop on my link. So if you want to check out any of these cute finds, be sure to use my code. And it changes every month, but this month it's October, so it's October 20. And I'll also put my link where you can go and purchase these items. And then when you check out, you just use October 20. These are really cute little boots. They're almost like Uggs, but not as pricey. And they're fleecy on the inside. I just think they are so cute. So I got these boots for the winter. Perfect for the winter. And I'm going to turn my, so you can see this really cute. Hold on, just want to make sure you're still there. This really cute, it's like a sweatshirt. And look at the color, isn't that pretty? It's like a white ivory color and it's Sherpa. So this is so nice and cozy on those really cold days. So I got this, really cute and washable. You know, you just throw it in the wash, let it air dry, and then maybe put it in your dryer on fluff for like 5 minutes and you're done. Got that. And last but not least, I got this blouse. And I love this blouse. Look at the colors. Is this scream fall or what? I just got this blouse, and this is the front. And the back, it actually ties. You don't have to worry about buttoning anything. It has like a little tie, and you can tie like a little bow in the back and have it flow down. And that's what I got from Pink Lily. So anyway, like I wanted to say, sorry about that. I now am a brand ambassador for Pink Lily, so I will enclose my link if you're interested in checking out any of their items. We have lots of different sales that we have throughout the month, but I also have my own 20% that I give. So if there's another sale going on, you can take advantage of that. If there's not, you can always use my 20% discount, which changes every month, so you have to reach out to me and I can let you know what it is. Right now it's October 20. And I will put my link down below in the description if you're interested and you want to check out some really cute items or start getting a head start on your holiday shopping. So anyway, once again, I'm Kara, that beauty addict. I really appreciate it when you share, like, and subscribe to my videos. I really appreciate that. And also, if you're interested in any makeup or skincare, I also still do that. So you can always go to my unique website, www.thatbeautyaddict.com, and pick up some makeup and skincare goodies too while you're at it to go with your beautiful outfits. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.